In this video, let's quickly dive into the way that you fix the PayPal bank verification problem. If you're having issues verifying your bank account, then in most cases what will be the issue? That is that your name is not same on your bank as well as your PayPal. Also, along with that, you'll need to make sure that your bank account as well as your PayPal account has the same country selected. So once you ensure this, you should be able to fix this issue. But however, if you're still having issues, then what you'll also need to check is your bank compatibility. Some banks may not be able to link with PayPal. Also, those accounts which have been previously linked to 3 or more PayPal accounts will also not work out. So make sure you ensure these and you should be able to fix this issue. However, if none of these solutions work out for you, then what you can also try out is try to clear the cache of the application. So what you can do is just head over to the app of PayPal, tap and hold the app and then head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside, head over to storage and then tap on clear cache. If you're using PayPal on your browser, on your desktop or on your mobile phone as well, then you'll need to clear out the browser cache and cookies. If you are currently connected to a VPN, make sure you disconnect as well, because connecting VPNs and using PayPal accounts does not really work out. If none of these solutions work out for you, then what you can also try out is try using a different device. For example, if you're currently using your mobile phone, you can avoid that for some time and try using your desktop or even your browser on your phone and try to log in and try to verify your bank account. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. That's pretty much all for today. I'm gonna see you in the next video.